Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation covers the diagnostic trouble code B0011-2B for the Honda Accord 2023 and later models, specifically indicating a short to another wire harness within the front passenger's airbag system, particularly the second inflator. This issue is critical because it can compromise the airbag's functionality, a vital component in ensuring passenger safety during impacts. The DTC is triggered when the SRS unit detects an abnormal voltage level on the detection line, suggesting potential electrical faults. The system will subsequently store this code for reference during diagnosis. The appropriate steps must be taken to confirm the proper operation of all related components to ensure comprehensive vehicle safety and compliance with regulations. Effective troubleshooting of this code involves a systematic examination of key components, such as the airbag inflators and the SRS unit. The error code B0011-2B specifically indicates a malfunction within the front passenger's airbag system, particularly associated with the second inflator. The airbag system is a crucial safety feature designed to deploy in the event of a collision to protect occupants. The problem is detected in the SRS unit, which monitors the airbag circuits for any abnormalities. The SRS unit is typically located within the vehicle's dashboard area, often to the left of the driver, near the steering column. Its role is pivotal as it evaluates the voltage levels of the associated circuits. When the unit detects an unexpected voltage reading higher than normal, it flags an error. In this case, storing the DTC B0011-2B. Correct identification of this fault is vital for the safe operation of the airbag system. There are several possible causes of the DTC B0011-2B, each requiring careful consideration during the troubleshooting process. First, a short circuit in the wiring harness can occur, leading to unintended connections that cause the abnormal voltage readings. The wiring of the airbag system is intricate and delicate, often subject to wear and damage over time. Second, a faulty SRS unit may also be to blame. If the module itself has malfunctioned, it might misinterpret the voltage on the detection line. Lastly, previous collision damage could lead to improper installation or malfunctioning of components associated with the airbag system, creating conditions favorable for this diagnostic trouble code. Each of these potential causes should be systematically examined during the troubleshooting phase to ensure comprehensive diagnosis. When the DTC B0011-2B is triggered, certain observable symptoms typically manifest. The primary symptom includes the airbag warning light illuminating on the dashboard, indicating that there's a problem in the SRS system. This warning light is a standardized indicator used across vehicles to alert drivers to potential safety risks. Additionally, while driving, occupants may not feel any immediate difference. However, the SRS unit may be compromised and fail to deploy in the event of a collision, significantly reducing airbag reliability. It's crucial to recognize this symptom, as it serves as a clear indication that immediate attention is necessary. Unresolved issues within the airbag circuitry can lead to severe consequences during an accident, emphasizing the need for prompt diagnostics and repairs. The initial troubleshooting step for diagnosing the B0011-2B involves turning the vehicle's ignition to the on mode and waiting for approximately 10 seconds. This action is critical because it allows the vehicle's SRS system to complete its self-check process. During this self-check, the SRS unit evaluates all feedback from the airbag sensors and other components linked to the airbag system. If the vehicle has encountered issues that prompted the DTC, the SRS system will store this information for later diagnostics. Waiting 10 seconds ensures that any transient errors resulting from electrical issues have cleared and provides a stable base for accurate diagnostics. This method is essential in confirming the persistent nature of the fault before proceeding further in the troubleshooting process. In the next step, technicians should thoroughly check for related DTCs that may accompany the B0011-2B code. It is common for multiple codes to be triggered if several components or circuits are affected. Identifying these related DTCs can offer deeper insights into the root cause of the airbag system malfunction. Furthermore, it's essential to verify if the vehicle has been involved in a collision. Damage from accidents can lead to electrical faults or improperly installed components in the airbag system, significantly affecting its performance. If collision damage is detected, ensuring that all necessary components were replaced and installed correctly is crucial for restoring functionality to the SRS unit. This comprehensive analysis plays a vital role in effectively diagnosing and addressing airbag system issues. The third troubleshooting step involves a detailed inspection of the dashboard wire harness to identify any potential short circuits. This step is significant because the wire harness connects various critical components in the airbag system. A short circuit could occur in any section, affecting the performance of the system drastically. Technicians should visually and practically check for damaged wiring, frayed insulation, or corrosion, which are all common culprits causing electrical faults within the harness. Utilizing an ohm meter during the inspection can confirm any unwanted connections between wires, which should not have continuity. Identifying and rectifying these issues is essential for restoring proper functionality to the airbag circuits, aiding in resolving the B0011-2B code. Following the inspection of the dashboard wire harness, the next critical step is to assess the SRS unit itself. This unit is responsible for managing the airbag deployment system and interpreting signals from various sensors. Technicians must ensure that the SRS unit operates correctly and has not sustained any internal faults affecting its performance. This may involve disconnecting the unit, checking for faults with wiring or connections, and performing functional tests if necessary. Regular maintenance and inspections help in identifying potential issues before they escalate. A properly functioning SRS unit is vital for ensuring optimal performance during incidents requiring airbag deployment, thus addressing the fault displayed by the B0011-2B code. After completing necessary repairs, technicians should perform a final verification step. This involves clearing the DTC from the vehicle's diagnostic memory and conducting a road test to ensure the airbag system operates as intended. It's crucial to confirm that the SRS functions correctly and that the airbag warning light is no longer illuminated. If the DTC does not reappear during this phase, it indicates successful resolution of the issues associated with the B0011-2B code. Additionally, a thorough test of the airbag deployment mechanism must be conducted to guarantee all safety systems are intact. Ensuring proper functionality allows the customer to have confidence that the airbag system is ready to provide protection in case of an accident. The preventive maintenance is vital to avoid recurring issues like the B0011-2B. Regular inspections of the vehicle's wiring, particularly in the airbag system, can help detect potential problems before they escalate. Additionally, thorough evaluations following any collision are essential to ensure that all components were replaced properly and that no new wiring issues have emerged. Keeping the vehicle's SRS system updated with the latest software and replacement parts can also prevent many concerns. Educating the vehicle owner about the importance of scheduled inspections will extend the life of the SRS unit and enhance passenger safety. Emphasizing proactive maintenance is crucial for preventing future diagnostic trouble codes and ensuring the overall effectiveness of airbag systems. In conclusion, the DTC B0011-2B signifies an important issue that demands swift action to ensure passenger safety in the Honda Accord 2023 and beyond. Understanding the roles of critical components like the SRS unit and airbag inflators is necessary for effective troubleshooting and repairs. Quick diagnostics are essential as they help determine the extent of damage and necessary repairs to restore proper functionality. Regular maintenance and checks are vital for keeping the airbag system in optimal condition. Ensuring the integrity of these systems will ultimately protect the safety of all vehicle occupants. By systematically addressing faults indicated by DTCs and committing to ongoing maintenance, owners can safeguard their vehicles against future complications. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.